This is Max Williams and with Renovated Real Estate, and today I'm in Petersburg, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch. This renovated ranch is here on a very quiet block. We are in a neighborhood that doesn't have very much traffic at all. You can see the other homes are very similar in style and size. I'm dealing with quite a few buyers right now in the Metro Richmond area, and one of the challenges in the $200,000-$300,000 price range is there's still a very significant lack of inventory. And what that means is often when homes hit the market, they will have 5, 10, 15, or even more offers. That, of course, makes it very challenging for the average buyer. And I'm telling some of my buyers to consider other areas. If you've got the ability to look a little bit south here in the Tri-Cities, there are definitely some opportunities down here. Not only is there less competition, but also the pricing is a little bit more attractive. So this home would be significantly more money up in the Metro Richmond area. And for some people that actually telecommute or don't go into the office much, looking at a different area might be a very viable option. One of the other benefits of this location is if you are working at Fort Lee, this is a very convenient location here. There are a lot of people, of course, that come in with the military and with civil service that live in this area. There is a lot of infrastructure nearby. This is a pretty convenient location. So from that standpoint, a lot of people love this area and would like to call it home. One of the interesting things about real estate is in some situations, real estate can be a blessing. For others, depending on what's going on, it can be a burden. And I love having the challenge of problem solving. That's what a lot of real estate actually is, or at least the real estate that I do is problem solving. Let me give you an example. I just recently partnered with a company that will come in and they will back up an offer. If someone is getting financing, they'll back it up with cash. So if the financing falls through, they will step in with their cash and they can make that transaction happen. More importantly, it makes it much more attractive for a seller if we've got that backup. So that's one program. The other program is if someone has a house that needs work, and it could be significant work or it could be just cosmetics. Another company that has a general contracting license will actually step in, they will do the work, there's no payments, there's no interest on that work, and they just simply get paid when the house sells. The beautiful thing about it is it's a one-stop shop. They'll do everything. If you need to have the kitchen redesigned, they'll do that. Everything in property management. They'll even finance in, or not finance, but take care of staging. That can be part of the process. If someone needs to leave the home while that work is going on, they will do that as well. And that will allow you to not be in the mix of inhaling fumes and sawdust and all the other challenges of living in a home as it's being renovated. So a couple of unique programs there. We offer that as a service to our clients and are very proud of that. All right, you can see we've got a great looking exterior here. I love this yellow door. It pops very nicely. And we've got a very good floor plan here, especially if you are a fan of single level living. They did a great job, have this home staged beautifully. Here to the left is going to be our primary suite. And we're going to go that direction first. I like the way they put the primary here on this end, and the secondary bedrooms are of course going to be on the other side of the house. Good natural light flows into this space. We've got replacement windows that are there. Nice big closet, oversized closet, so you got plenty of storage there. And our ensuite bathroom is directly there in the middle of the frame. I'm going to go on back there and take a look. They did some really good color and styling choices in this home. This bathroom here is a great example. You can see we've got the black and white tile and then the nice contrast there on the floor. I think those color combinations work really good. You got the little nook there for your products. Recessed light here, not only in this bathroom, but also throughout this home. They also went and took that into consideration. So it's very well lit as well. All right, we're gonna go back out and check out this kitchen, see what they did here in this beautiful kitchen. I love the fact that they opened up this wall. This was originally closed off, as many homes were that were built in the 50s. And so they opened it up, made it a nice modern plan. You, of course, can put your dinette here. Our cabinets are well appointed with gold hardware, stainless steel appliances, all convey. We've got the nice deep farmhouse sink there. The granite is gorgeous, and you got the window looking out the backyard. Love that commercial style faucet as well. Just a really good looking kitchen. Okay, I am now standing in the utility room. And here in the utility room, we have a electric water heater. This should be a 200 amp breaker box. And of course, everything is there and labeled. Our door is going to take us out back, and then here to the left is where your washer and dryer would go. I love this utility room because there's plenty of space here. If we look from those connections all the way to the door, you've got plenty of space. You could do shelving. This could almost double as a pantry. You could put plenty of laundry supplies here in this space as well. And of course, our covered back area here. You could put a few chairs here, be out of the elements. And if somebody wanted to expand that here in the future, they could, of course, put a full-blown deck there in the rear. All right, let's go to the other end of the home and see what we have in our bedroom wing. Special thanks to Rodney at our office at United Real Estate for allowing me to share this beautiful home with you. He's very proud of this renovation that he undertook. He is a firm believer that just because you don't have a huge budget doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to get a nice renovated home. And he definitely did that here with this one. This is going to be bedroom number 1. I believe this is probably the most conservative of the bedrooms, but there's still plenty of space in here. You should be able to get a full or queen size bed in here with no problem. All right, let's take a look at bedroom number 2. But before we do that, actually it'd be bedroom number 3 because we've already seen the primary. I've got a coat closet right there. This is going to be bedroom number 3. We are on the front corner of the house here. This would be an excellent space if you wanted to make this a office here at the end of the home. Here to the left, of course, is going to be our hall bath. I love the fact that it's not one of those tiny, tiny hall baths. And you can see they came in, they did a different color scheme, which is nice. I love to see when rehabbers actually do something different in the bathrooms and just kind of mix it up a little bit. Everyone loves variety. We, of course, have that little nook there for your products, and just some beautiful styling here. Everything is new that you see, so it's always a plus to have new systems. All right, we're going to go directly across here. This is going to be the final bedroom. This could actually be a second primary. This is big enough to where you could get a larger bed in here with no problem. And our closet, of course, is right here. Wow, I love what I see here in this rehab. These floors also look amazing. They cleaned up and refinished them. They look very, very nice. Good looking house. If you have any questions about this or any other home on the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.